A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Baqarah, Ruku number 2, Para 1. So let's start. English translation, word by word and sentence wise. In the name of Allah, who is most compassionate, ever merciful. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ, and amongst the people there are man yaqul, who say amanna billah, we believe in Allah, wa bil yawmil akhir, and the last day, wa ma hum bimu'minin, whereas they are not believers. Wamin, and of annas, the people, man are some who yaqul, say amanna, we believed, billah, in Allah, wa bil yawm, and in the day, al akhir, last, wama, but not whom they bimu'minin, are believers at all. Yukhadi'un Allah, they seek to deceive Allah, wallazina amanu, and the believers, wama yakhda'una illa anfusahum, but they deceive only themselves. Wama yash'urun, and they are not aware of it. Yukhadi'una, they seek to deceive Allah. Wallazina, and those who amanu, believed. Wama, and not yakhda'una, they deceive, illa, except, anfusahum, themselves. Wama, and not yash'urun, they realize it. Fi qulubihim maradun, in their hearts is a disease. Fazadahumullahu marada, so Allah has worsened their disease. Walahum azabun alim bima kanu yakzibun, and for them there is painful punishment because they used to tell lie. Fi, in qulubihim, their hearts, maradun, is a disease. Fazadahum, so has increased them, Allah, marada is disease, walahum, and for them, azabun is a punishment, alim, painful, bima, because, kanu, they used to, yakzibun, lie. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ, and when it is said to them, do not separate disorder in the land, قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُصْلِحُونَ, they say it is we who reform. وَإِذَا, and when قِيلَ, it is said, lahum, to them, la, do not, tufsidu, separate, corruption, disorder, fi, in, al-ard, the earth, qalu, they say, innama, only, nahnu, we, muslihun, are reformers. Ala innahum hulmul mufsidun, be aware, it is they who separate disorder. Walakin la yash'urun, but they do not have any sense at all. Allah, be aware, innahum, indeed they, hum, themselves, al-mufsidun, are the ones who separate corruption, disorder. Walakin, but, la, not, yashurun, they realized it. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ آمِنُوا, and when it is said to them, believe, kama amanan nas, as people have believed, qalu anu'minu kama amana sufaha, they say, shall we also believe? Fools as that those fools have believed. Allah innahum humus sufaha, be aware, they are themselves fools. Walakin la ya'lamun, but they do not know. Waiza, and when Kila, it is said, lahum, to them, aminu, believe, kama, as, amana, believe. Annas, the people. Qalu, they say. Anu'minu, should we believe? Kama, as Amana believed. As-sufaha, the fools. Allah, beware. Innahum, certainly they, hum themselves. As-sufaha, the fools. Walakin, but. La, not. Ya'lamun, they know. وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا. And when they meet the believers, they say, we have believed. وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ. And when they meet their devils in private, قَالُوا إِنَّا مَعَكُمْ. They assure them, we are certainly with you. إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُسْتَهْزِئُونَ. We are certainly with you, we only mock. وَإِذَا, and when لَقُوا, they meet الَّذِينَ, those who آمَنُوا, believe. قَالُوا, they say, آمَنَّا, we believed. وَإِذَا, and when خَلَوْا, they are alone, إِلَى, with shayatinihim, their evil ones. قَالُوا, they say, Inna, indeed we, ma'akum, are with you. Innama, only, nahnu, we, mustahzi'un, are mockers. Allahu yastahzi'u bihim. Allah punished them for their mockery. وَيَمُدُّهُمْ فِي طُغْيَانِهِمْ يَعْمَهُونَ. And lets them lose that they meet, so they are wandering blindly in their transgression. Allahu, Allah, yastahzi'u, mocks bihim, at them. وَيَمُدُّهُمْ, and prolongs them, fi, in tughyanihim, their transgression. Yamahun, they wander blindly. Ulaika allazina ishtaraw ad-dalalata bil huda. These are the people who have purchased misguidance for guidance. Fama rabihat tijaratuhum wama kanu muhtadin. But their trade did not yield any gain, and they did not know the way to bargain. Ulaika, those, allazina, are the ones who ishtaraw, bought, ad-dalala, a string, bil huda, for the guidance. Fama, so not, rabihat, profited, tijaratuhum, their trade, their commerce. Wama, and not, kanu, were they, muhtadin, guided ones. Masaluhum kamasalil lazi istawqada nara. Their example is like a person who lit a fire. Falamma adaa'at ma hawlahu. And when it brightened the environment, zahaballahu binurihim. Allah took away their light. Watarakahum fi zulumat. And left them in total darkness. La yubsirun. Now they can't see anything. Masaluhum, their example. Kamasal is like the example. Allazi, of the one who istawqada, kindled, lit, nara, a fire. Falamma, then when adaa'at, is illuminated, ma, what, hawlahu, was around him, zahaba, took away, Allah, binurihim, their light, watarakahum, and left them, fi, in, zulumat, darkness, la, so not, yubsirun, do they see. Summum bukmun umyun fahum la yarji'un. They are deaf, dumb and blind, so they will not return. Sommun, deaf, bukmun, dumb, umyun, blind, fahum, so they, la, not, yarji'un, will not they return. أو كصيب من السماء, or their example is like a rain pouring from the sky, فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق, wherein there are layers of darkness and thunder and lightning. يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم, they put their fingers, they thrust their fingers into their ears. من الصواعق حذر الموت, fearing death due to the thunder. والله محيط بالكافرين, and Allah has encompassed the disbelievers. أو are كصيب, like a rainstorm, min from as-sama, the sky, fihi, in it are zulumat, darkness, warad, and thunder, warbark, and lightning. Yaj'aluna, they put asabi'ahum, their fingers, fi, in azanihim, their ears, min from as-sawa'iq, the thunder claps, hazar, in fear of al-maut, death. Wallahu, and Allah, muhitun, is the one who encompasses bil kafirin, the disbelievers. Yakadul barku yakhtafu absarahum, it seems as if the lightning would snatch away their sight. Kullama adalahum mashaw fi, when they are lit with a flesh, they start walking. وَإِذَا أَظْلَمَ عَلَيْهِمْ قَامُوا, and when darknesses covers them, they stand still. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَذَهَبَ بِسَمْعِهِمْ وَأَبْصَارِهِمْ, and if Allah had willed, He would have completely deprived them of hearing and sight. إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ, surely Allah is all powerful to do everything. Yakadu, almost, al-barq, the lightning, yakhtafu, snatch away, absarahum, their sight. Kullama, whenever ada is flashes, lahum, for them, mashaw, they walk, fi, in it, waiza, and when azlama, it darkens, alayhim, on them, kamu, they stand still. Walau, and if sha'a, He had willed, Allah, lazahaba, He would certainly have taken away, bisam'ihim, their hearing, wabsarihim, and their sight. Inna, indeed, Allah, ala, is on kulli, every, shay'in, thing, qadir, all power. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim.